In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an invoice in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so that your refund is recorded correctly and your accounts stay accurate. Let's start from the Xero dashboard. First, move your mouse to the main menu at the top and click on Sales. This is the section where you manage all customer invoices, credit notes, and payments. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have permission to view sales. Once you're in the sales area, click on Invoices. This will open a full list of the invoices you've created. Think of this as your central hub for anything related to money owed to your business. From here, you can filter, search, and manage the status of each invoice. Next, we want to narrow things down to only the invoices that are still open or partially dealt with. At the top of the Invoices page, click on the tab called Awaiting Payment. This view shows invoices that have been approved but not fully paid, or invoices that may have credits or adjustments linked to them. If you're dealing with a refund, it's usually connected to one of these invoices. Now look through the list in the Awaiting Payment tab and click on the specific invoice that has a credit attached to it. You can use the search box to find it more quickly by typing in the customer's name, the invoice number, or the amount. Once you've found the right one, click on the invoice to open the detailed view. Here, you'll see any associated credit notes, payments, and remaining balances. When you're on the invoice that has a credit, scroll until you locate the option to make a cash refund. You should see a link or button that says something like, "Make a cash refund." Click on that to start the refund process. A refund form will appear, asking for details. Carefully enter the refund information. Choose the correct bank account you're refunding from, set the refund date to match when you processed it with your customer, and double check the refund amount. This should match the available credit or the portion you actually want to refund. If there's a reference or description field, add a short note so you or your colleague